Hey guys, DC Vlogs here, and today bringing you guys another vlog. Yesterday I dropped 2 videos. They weren't what I usually do. They were top 5 distractions of 2017. Go check that out. And my reaction to Rice Gums God Church. Go check that video out also. I just went to Target. I was gonna vlog at Target, but of course there was heckle workers there, and like I low-key felt weird if I was vlogging. Yeah, I'm going back to my house right now. Actually, yeah, I'm probably going back to my house, play a little basketball. Right now I'm going through my old school, Bohannon. I do not like the school. What a shocker, huh? Wow. What a shocker. But I don't know. I was going through my other videos, and like honestly, they're like really bad. So like I think from now on, if I don't upload, like, hold on, there's like people right here, and I don't want that. Hold on. If I don't upload, I mean, I'm not gonna upload unless like I have like a low-key good video. When I those videos, I wouldn't really edit them. I really wouldn't edit them either. I would just make sure the audio was good and just slap on some freaking text, and that was it. But now I think I'm gonna actually start putting in some time into my videos to make them good, so you guys can enjoy them. But yeah, that's really what I'm gonna start doing. There's nothing bro. I hate when cars park hella bad. Like, come on now. I don't know if anything's exciting is gonna happen in this vlog. I don't know. I'm riding one-hander on my bike, and the hand I'm using to record is where my brakes are, so I have to brake with my foot, which isn't the best. But yeah, I went to Target to go vlog, and I was gonna vlog with my my camera, my Sony, but then I freaking forgot the battery because it was charging. So yeah, then I couldn't really vlog. I didn't want to vlog with my phone, but it's what I'm doing right now. Oh yeah, so many cars. I want to do something crazy today, like on my bike, like a jump or something. You know, I just want to flip and send it, dude. 'Cause, like, are you silly?
I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
But yeah. Oh, see, those people there, they were looking at me because I was talking to my freaking phone. Like, lady just dead ass just gave me the freaking death stare of my life. God. That's one thing, that's the only reason I don't really, like, that's the only reason I didn't really want to, like, vlog, was because people freaking look at me like I'm hella weird. Hi. And, like, I don't know, like, but, like, at the same time, like, I don't really care what people think, because, like, if it's random people, I'm only gonna see them once, probably twice maybe. Other than that, I don't really give a shit. Oh, sorry. Family friendly channel, even though no one watches this channel. Haha. Anyways, alright, no one told me. Anyways, I just got to my house. I recorded a time lapse of me doing stuff, and I freaking deleted it. Now I feel like a stupid. Oh God. My arm low-key gets tired. My arm gets tired when I'm riding one-hander on my bike, carrying something. My gate wasn't even closed. Okay. Yesterday I cracked, oh my God, my hair. I cracked my screen, I have my phone, but I cracked the screen protector. I was on my bunk bed, and it freaking fell from the top. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, my arms are tired right now. Okay, it's like he's left. Hey Chepe. You guys watch Logan Paul vlogs? You know how we have that bird Maverick? Well, I mean, I kind of have like the same bird. Hold on, let me show you guys. Hey Chepe. Hey Chepe. Hey. Hey oh. Hey oh. You okay? Gonna give you, don't bite me. Gonna give you a kissy. Oh, I touched his beak. Ah! I'm like really scared because like, see, look what he's doing. Look, look, look. See? Like, look how he stretches out like he's gonna fly out. Look at that. It's okay. Oh. Yeah, like I kind of get scared. I kind of get scared of him because I mean it's a freaking bird with a sharp beak. Like, what? Like, am I not supposed to be scared of him? Hold on, guys. My two dogs. I'm so excited. Alright guys, well I didn't really have anything to do in this vlog. This vlog will be going up. Right now I'm gonna go play some basketball. I'm gonna record that. There he is, screaming like always. But you guys saw him, he tried to bite me after he was being all nice to me. I'm gonna go play some basketball. I already said that. Then I'm gonna sign off at the end. And then I'm gonna edit it, probably take, like I said, I'm probably gonna be like an hour editing it because I'm gonna try to do good videos. Oh my god, that bird. Sometimes he's cool, like overall, he's a freaking cool bird to have. And then he just starts chirping out of nowhere. Like, look, hold on. I think, like, he usually, oh look, look. Hey. What? Look, he wants me to carry him, but like, I don't know how. See, look at this. Oh. What? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Hey, no. Thought he was gonna bite me. It's okay. Chip it, it's okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, he pooped. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh, please tell me I got that on camera. Oh my, guys. Hold on. You guys just saw my bird was being all nice to me. And now, like, at the end, I got that on camera, kind of. It just, like bit my finger off almost. Chepe! Come on, bro. Like, I'm trying to be nice to you, and you're over here freaking trying to bite me. By the way, African gray parrot, he can talk. Yeah, pretty cool, honestly. Hey, you trying to bite me, mister? Huh? Oh, see? Look at that. He's like, he wants. Oh! Look. Okay. I'm gonna go play some basketball, then I'm gonna sign off the vlog. Alright? I guess it'll be an okay vlog once I'm done editing it. It won't just be this boring me talking. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe, like the video, share it, comment down below if you want. But yeah, it's been DC Vlogs. Peace.